it's ever here. Okay, it is 12:10 at night, and just when I thought this week couldn't get any worse, one of my lovebirds has just died. It was fine. I came home from uni, it was fine. It was sat on the perch of its partner. I'm keeping my eye on the other one. It was sat on its perch of its partner, and then all of a sudden they kind of like got into a little tussle, but I thought it was just nipping beaks. The next thing, it's just fallen off its perch. I don't know if the other lovebird hurt it or unintentionally or what, but it just fell off its perch. And just when I thought this week couldn't get any worse, I had such a great day. I had such a good time teaching my lesson today, and then I'm thinking, yeah, everything's okay now, my mum's better. And then that happened. I'm keeping my eye on the other one, making sure that one's not going the same. It seems okay though. But yeah, anyway, I don't think I'm going to get any sleep tonight. I know some people might say, oh, but it's just a bird, it's not like it's a dog or a cat. But it's still a living thing, it's still my pet. And I've always wanted 2 lovebirds, and I got them, and I was so careful to look after them, to prove that I could. And then this happened. Anyway, I am going to try to get some sleep. Sun's in my eyes. Okay, so it's Tuesday morning, well, afternoon. I'm on my way to uni. Still feeling very sad about, I think it's Tessa who's died. But like I said to me, I said, really, like, I presumed they were babies when I got them. So I don't actually know how old they are. They could be, I don't know how old, but Will seems to be doing okay. I am going to see about how much, is it possible to get a single one and put that in and see how we get on or something like that. But yeah, I also have rehearsals tonight. So I'm in uni and I'm just filming some stuff for one of Jason's work, and I'm hoping to get some uni season video because I'm literally being surprised. Okay, so I'm at rehearsals now. I'm still feeling sad, but I'm okay. People in college have had me laughing this afternoon, and I'm looking forward to rehearsing with Watch. I'm just going to give it my best. Okay, so I didn't actually get any footage of rehearsals today. I had my camera completely the wrong place, completely the wrong area. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm still feeling, like I said, still feeling sad, but I'm not feeling as sad. That actually sounds like cold. That's not what I meant. I'll be feeling sad for a few days, but at least I'm able to laugh and things like that. Tomorrow I'm with Hayley. Well, I'm at uni then with Hayley. So for now, I'm going to say love you lots, like jelly tots. I'll keep you looking weird. Bye. See ya.